My name is Mark Kelly. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Palm Harbor Homes out of Plant City, Florida. Today's home over here that we're placing in St. Petersburg is a 1,373 square foot bungalow style home. We have included in that 1,373 square feet about 120 square feet of outdoor living space on the front of the home. The exterior of the home is going to be equipped with very durable, hardy cement siding, painted very architecturally pleasing for the neighborhood here. Today's home that we're placing here today is actually a modular home that's been state approved in the state of Florida and built to the same building specs that a general contractor would build under conventional means from the ground up. The home will be transported from Plant City, Florida over here to St. Petersburg. Our builder that we're working with, Tampa Bay CDC, has prepared a beautiful foundation that is ready for the structure. You can see in the background here we've got a crane that will obviously be picking the home off of a temporary carrier and placing the home on the foundation. So what we've equipped the home with is just the same type of floor framing that a new home would be constructed on site, 2x10 floor system. We're building this home to local code as any type of home, but we're going to really change the landscape today. When we leave here today in the afternoon, somewhere we think around 2:30, this home will be weathered in and this vacant lot will have a beautiful home. It'll be the envy of the neighborhood. The process that we're going to go through, we have a crane that's being set up right adjacent to the foundation of the home. Here in about an hour, we hope the home will arrive from Plant City in two sections. We will obviously pull off all of the protective plastic weatherproof material that's been on the home for approximately 3 days since it's been produced in our manufacturing facility in Plant City. We'll have a crew here from Palm Harbor Construction working together with the construction chief of Tampa Bay CDC, and we're essentially going to pick up one section of the home, place it on the foundation, secure it, take the next section, place it on the foundation, and then weather that roof and begin work on the exterior siding. That's all going to happen today. The energy efficiency in a Palm Harbor home is something that we pride ourselves in. We've got a great reputation throughout the state and have for 41 years on building a home that is saving folks money on their utility bills. This particular home has even gone a step further. We've equipped the home with a full complement of batt insulation in the 2x6 wall. We'll have floor insulation down below, and then we've got a blown cellulose insulation in the roof cavity, essentially covering every little nook and cranny up in an area where 70% of that heat loss occurs. So we've got a great window package, low E, insulated glass windows, vinyl, maintenance free, that essentially will outperform a window without those attributes by 30%, limiting the heating and cooling loss, and also limiting the ultraviolet rays from coming into the home and causing discoloration on draperies, carpeting, furniture, etc. At Palm Harbor, we actually install the ductwork in the ceiling cavity of the home, okay? And at our plant, our system has been certified to have less than 3% of the air that flows through that ductwork actually escape. There are homes that are built in our industry that have 15 to 20% of that air leak. Obviously, we're outperforming, so what that results in is a homeowner that hopefully is saving some of that utility money rather than paying the local utility company. One of the things that Palm Harbor brings to the table and that we're able to offer and work a little bit closer with Tampa Bay CDC here and next up on this particular site is we're truly embedded in each of our builds. Our setup crew will be here. They'll be responsible for lifting those structures off of the carriers and placing them on the foundation and performing that complete set today. The next step that takes place is we send out our either Gold Key Care Palm Harbor Associates or a Gold Key Care certified contractor to do the interior finish in the home. So not only are we involved in the actual set of the home, but we are also inside the home performing all of the work along the center mating line where those two sections come together, in performing interior inspections of windows, adjusting all interior doors, exterior doors, making sure cabinets are operating properly, and literally turning the home over to perhaps the homeowner or the construction chief here at Tampa Bay CDC. In our industry, in the manufactured and modular home factory-built segment, we feel we really have an advantage over conventional construction, and we feel like we can really address the needs of the affordable home market. Number one, we have a stable workforce that shows up every day at 7 o'clock. They're trained in their individual departments. There's cross-training between departments, so we've got people that, they're not doing the same thing every day. We have over 150 designs. We're going to see our Summer Haven home here today, but every home is a little bit different. In this particular situation, we took some window designs and we made it appealing and satisfied the local architectural review board here. So we're able to do those kind of things and not add a tremendous amount of cost. The other thing that in our world, the folks at Tampa Bay CDC and Next Step, the cost from sill plate to finish is a fixed cost. It's a known quantity. In the building world today, with escalating prices, we've got commodities that are going up weekly, and we're able to control that a little bit better than the individual general contractor. Basically, we buy in bulk. We're part of a large organization, Cavco Industries. There's 19 plants operating throughout the United States, so we have some purchasing power. All of that combines for a true value to the homeowner and hopefully saves them some money and perhaps time in getting in their new home. At Palm Harbor, we've really enjoyed what we've accomplished thus far with Tampa Bay CDC in the greater Tampa area and St. Petersburg area. They've got great plans to put beautiful, quality-built homes throughout the neighborhoods here in the Tampa Bay region, and we've worked very closely over the past year and a half, coming up with the designs that are going to work and blend in with the neighborhood and satisfy the review boards and make sure that the window fenestration is something that blends in. So we've arrived at that point. Now it's time to get the homes through our factory and on these foundations. Today is the first of, right now, 12 that we have on order that we hope to be able to get to Tampa Bay CDC on a regular basis. Our parent company, Cavco Industries, structured an alliance with Next Step Network a few years ago. This is our St. Petersburg, Tampa, Plant City. This is our first opportunity to actually see something hit the foundation. So we're very excited about this home and obviously the coming homes over the next few years. We have great plans and look forward to working together to provide some great housing value in this market. It's very important for Palm Harbor Homes and Plant City to be involved in the communities that we operate in. We ship homes throughout the state, but when we get an opportunity to work with a cause that Tampa Bay CDC is involved in literally our own backyard, it's what really makes it all worthwhile. We build a great home, we do it very affordably, and we do it very timely. And what we're doing is giving people the ability to own their part of the American dream. So as much as we can do with Tampa Bay CDC, we look forward to that.